Polysolid. If you go to home, you can see here Polysolid, or go to Solid tab. Here it is Polysolid. You can select any one, select the Polysolid, and you can see here few options. The first options object, just keep as it is. The next option height. Select this height option. You can make your height. I just make it here 250, enter. Then what is the width? I just make this one 50, enter. Select this justification. You can select any of this justification. I select here center and specify start point. I just click here and I switch on polar tracking, so you will get it like this tracking. Now what is the length of this polysolid? What is the next point? I just make it here 300, enter. And which direction you need to make the next one? Just move like this your mouse, make it the length, enter. And I just move the next side also and give the value, enter. Now if you want to close with the starting point, you can select this close, or if you made any mistake you can use this undo. I just click this close. Now it is closed with the starting point. I just go to the top view and here it is top view. Now I go to Polysolid again and I just click the start point and I place it here like this 500, enter. And I just move like this 500, enter. Again I just move like this 500, enter. Now this side I need a arc, so I just select this arc and I click this point and enter. Now this one is ready and I go to southeast isometric. Now you can see your polysolid. I just click here, select this realistic. Now you can see realistic look. So all the walls, columns and compound wall, like that things, using polysolid you can create. I just go to polysolid again and I click the first point and I place it like this. I just make it 500, enter. Now I go to arc. Now you can see you can make your arc which direction you want. This one, it is exactly matched with this point. I just made, you can see this point is matched with this point exactly. So you can make how many arcs you want, you can make like this. Now if you need to go back to the normal wall, you can select this line. Now you will get it straight. This is same like polyline. If you need to close with start point, just simply click this close. It will close with start point. I just go to polysolid again, click the first point and I go to arc. Here you can see few options. Direction, if you select this direction, which direction if you click, that direction, see here the wall starting, it will create like this. Now you can see this wall direction, it is automatically created. But if you need to change the direction, you can select this direction and I just change the direction. Now you can see this wall end is coming. like this. It is not matched with this one. It is coming separate direction. The next one, line, already you know. If you want second point, if you select this second point and I just click this second point, so this arc will create through the second point. Again, I just select this second point, I just create somewhere else here. Now this arc will go through that point. And if you made any mistake, you can undo. If you need to close with start point, simply click this close, it will close with start point. And if you have any 2D object, that also you can convert to polysolid. I just make a circle or ellipse or any other walls, you can convert that one to polyline, or line you can convert to polysolid. I just go to the polysolid and I select this object. Now I select this circle and it is created. Again go to polysolid and I select here object and I select this spline, it is converted to polysolid. If you have any floor plan, center line or left side line, something like this, this one also you can convert it to polysolid. I just go to polysolid, select this object, select this one, now it is changed to polysolid. Here this height what we given initially, that height will take. If you want to change the height, go to polysolid and go to the height, make it 200, enter. Now you will get it the 200 height. I select here object and I select this object, select the object, now it is ready. See here it is 200 height, this one is 250 height. This is the way to create polysolid in AutoCAD.